So there's a number of tools in Audacity. At the moment, we have the selection tool selected. That is the one that you use for your editing and to move the playhead as well. Over here, we've talked about the envelope tool. And down here, the multi-tool basically brings those tools into one. So you'll see we still have access to the selection tool if we hover sort of in the middle of the track, in the middle of the waveform. But if we go up, you'll see that you also have access now to the envelope tool. So you could use that without having to go back to the selection tool. And if you hover towards the top of the track, you also have access to moving it as well, to the movement tool. So when you use this multi-tool, you have access to the envelope tool, the selection tool, and the ability to move your clip all in once without having to go up the top and reselect these individual tools.